Tropical rainforests are generally found in the regions between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn, which experience high temperature and receive abundant rainfall. The combination of high temperatures, heavy rainfall, and a continuous growing season encourage high rates of biological activity, making tropical rainforests the most luxuriant vegetation system in the world. The vegetation consists mainly of hardwood trees and broad-leaved trees. Although the trees are deciduous, the rainforest has an evergreen appearance as the continuous growing season means that when one species of trees is shedding leaves, others are growing new leaves. Trees grow to different heights, giving an impression of a three-tier formation. Typically, 4 main layers, each with different plants and animals adapted for life in that particular layer, constitute a tropical rainforest. These layers are forest floor, understory layer, canopy layer, emergent layer. Forest floor. The floor of the forest is marshy and covered with bushes, creepers and dense undergrowth. Understory layer. The second layer consists of smaller, young trees and leafy herbaceous plants that tolerate low light. Canopy layer. The third layer is the canopy layer. The broad irregular crowns of these trees form a tight continuous canopy, 60 to 90 feet above the ground. The branches are often densely covered with other plants and tied together with vines. Emergent layer. The giant trees that thrust above the dense canopy layer and have huge mushroom-shaped crowns form the emergent layer. These trees enjoy the greatest amount of sunlight and endure high temperatures, low humidity, and strong winds. The Zaire Basin in Central Africa is one of the most extensive areas of tropical rainforest in the world. The hardwood trees found in rainforests of Africa are valuable for making good quality furniture as the wood is heavy. However, it is difficult to exploit resources of the African forests because the forests are dense and trees do not grow in pure stands. Despite its luxuriant appearance, the rainforest is a fragile environment, as its survival relies on a rapid recycling of nutrients. Deforestation breaks the nutrient cycle, resulting in the soils becoming infertile, and the loose soils are washed away easily. Once the soils wash away, the forest can never again replenish itself to its former state. It is important to conserve rainforests as they are home to a variety of species of trees and animals. They also play a crucial role in regulating the global climate.